What is going on, guys? This is Jeff from T-Bone Racing RC, just showing you how to mount up our brand new X-Maxx Maximus front bumper. And to do that, guys, what you're going to want to do first is take off your front bumper here, and you can do that by taking these two button heads off down there, and then the two screws in these two holes. So go ahead and do that, and I'll do the same. Alrighty, guys, now that you got those off, you're left with the stock front protector here, and then your stock skid plate. Now the skid plate stays on here, but we do want to remove the four corresponding hole screws at the bottom. So do that, and then we'll get to the set, and I'll talk about how to mount up the whole set. Now that you got those four screws off, go ahead and just take the skid off. It'll slide right off, and we're going to need that in a second. I'll just go over the set really quick. You should have gotten 4 items: bolt-on front, FBS, a little shadow, and a front brace. And it comes unassembled, so you go ahead and throw all the screws on there. They're all going to be M3 and M4 flathead sockets, and mount that up like that. Comes with the brace. Comes with 4 plastic white spacers, 2 standoffs, 4 M4 flathead sockets, 2 longer flathead sockets with white spacers, and then the smallest M4 flathead. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take this guy, and then the standoffs bolt right into those 2 screws right there on top. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, guys, now that those stainless steels are mounted up, now the next step, we're going to want to take the brace, and right where those countersinks are, we're going to want to screw them into the stainless steel standoffs with the smallest flathead M4s that you got. So let's do that. Okay, guys, as you can see, we mounted the standoffs and then the brace right on top of that. So now go ahead and flip your X-Maxx over, and then this is going to slide right on, back on there. And now we're going to take the white plastic spacers, put them in your recesses here, and then you're going to want to take the bumper and put it on top of those you're going to mount it up with the longer M4 flathead socket screws. Alrighty, guys, so now that we got that flipped over and the screws mounted on the bottom, it's just the last step with those 2 long M4s that go through here. They go through the brace, and then on the other side of the brace here, you're going to put the white plastic spacer, and then you're going to screw them in to the stock mount like that. And that's the last step, so let's take care of that. Alrighty, we are good to go. All that's mounted up. This design offers, secure mounting with the stock brace and the other brace down here with the standoffs. So no more floppy bumper like our previous version. Going to give you all that protection up front. Just look at that guy. Gigantic. You are now free to bash to your heart's content. Go ahead and drop a comment and a like on the video. Tell us how we did. If you have any ideas for future products, we always love to hear from you guys. I think that's about it. That's all I got for you guys, so we'll see you next time.